Number 1, AutoTune. This is the most commonly used pitch corrector in the entire industry. Literally everyone knows this one. It has practically become synonymous with the idea of pitch correction. The same way that you might Google something. It's almost the same thing. Examples of people that use it: T-Pain, obviously, Cher, and Kanye West. It uses an algorithm to see how close your note is to 2 notes. And depending on how close it is to either note, it automatically tunes your note to that note. And because of this, contrary to popular belief, AutoTune cannot make bad singing sound good. Number 2, MetaTune. It's less famous than AutoTune, but it is extremely clean. It preserves your vibrato and your subtle nuances, giving you a very natural sound. It's very lightweight on CPU and it works in real time, but it requires a little bit more tweaking and it has less presets than AutoTune, but it gives you more control. This one is best for engineers or singers who just want to have invisible pitch correction. And before we keep going, let me introduce myself to you so that you can understand why you should even be listening to me in the first place. My name is Michelangelo Parker, aka Mikey Global, and I've spent my entire life in the studio. I've been making music my whole life, literally. Here's some pictures of me as a baby in the studio. And it was tough figuring all this out on my own, but now that I'm in the industry, I wanted to be able to give you guys this information so that you could have an easier start to your career. Number 3, Fruity Pitcher. This is the one that I actually started out with. It's native to FL Studio and it's free, or at least it was when I did it. It has fast and simple pitch correction for quick adjustments, and you can slide between notes manually to smooth things out. It does have limited advanced features compared to professional pitch correctors, but it is a great starting point for beginners and people who are just casual producers who just want to smooth things out. Number 4, G-Snap. Technically, this was actually the one that I started on, but I never really stuck with it for longer than like a week or so. But it is free, it's clean, and it's pretty powerful. It can even be MIDI controlled for precision. It works on almost any digital audio workspace or DAW, but it can sound really robotic if you push it too hard. This is ideal for people who are just, budget producers who want quick and easy pitch correction for free and don't really care about having the auto-tune sound. Number 5 is WavesTune, a studio favorite for mixing engineers. It's extremely precise and you can adjust pitch and timing all within the same plugin. It also lets you work note by note like Melodyne. We'll talk about that one in a second. But it has a simpler interface. It is paid and it's not cheap, but it's best for professionals who want total control over their vocals and their pitch. Why does any of this matter anyway? Knowing which pitch corrector to use can save you hours of frustration. Some of them are better for natural edits. Some of them give you that classic signature auto-tune sound, and some are best for beginners who are just getting started. That's why I prefer to do this format for these videos. Instead of just giving you a list, I break down why each one of them is unique and why you may want to go with that one. And that's the same way that I structure my course that teaches you how to build a professional recording studio at home. It takes into account your budget, your experience, and your workspace, because not everybody is starting from the same point. That way the course can be tailored to you in particular and get the absolute best sound out of your room. Number 6, Melodyne. If pitch correction were a surgery, this would be your scalpel. You can edit your note, your timing, your vibrato, and even your formant. Literally your mouth shape and your throat length. No diddy. It works on polyphonic material, chords, or multiple notes at once. It's extremely precise and industry standard for detailed editing. It does have a pretty steep learning curve, and the higher end options can be a little pricey, but it is perfect for pros who want ultimate control over every single note. And number 7 is NewTone. It's a hidden gem in FL Studio for pitch and timing editing. It has a visual interface where you can just drag the notes around and pitch them however you want. It's lightweight and it's fast to use. It does only work in FL Studio and it is a little bit less powerful than Melodyne, but it's a very similar tool. I use it all the time. It's perfect for FL Studio users who want quick visual correction without having to leave the DAW. So that's 7 different pitch correctors, each with its own strengths and weaknesses and ideal use cases. And here's a quick summary so that you can know which one is best for you. Best for beginners, Fruity Pitcher and G-Snap. For natural, subtle correction, go with MetaTune. For pro editing, go WavesTune or Melodyne. For the people that just want the auto-tune effect, just go with AutoTune. And for quick edits in FL Studio, or if you can't afford Melodyne, just go with NewTone. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next or what you need to learn about, and I'll make a video to help you out. And if you want more info on how to build your own professional recording studio at home, all you got to do is click the link in the description. It'll teach you every single thing that you need to know about getting the best sound out of all of your tools.